I've got all the side panels with the tongues routed onto them. I've got all of the bottom horizontals with the interior supports glued in. I'm currently gluing in the top supports. And what I'm doing in the interim is I am refining every tenon so that it'll fit nice and tight. What did I put? There it is. Okay. You'll note that I've got a 7 here and there, and I don't know if I'll be able to do this while holding the camera, but it slides on without too much fighting, and it is very tight and a very nice mating surface. So that is now a finished joint, and I've designated that so that I don't get confused later on. I've put a little French F on it. It's just a mark I picked up in machining. It means that is a finished surface. Do not touch it anymore. And so now I get to move on to tenon number 6.